is a great case study that we will be discussing today. He is regarded as one of the best leaders in the world and has got regards amongst the political circle. Now, somebody had a chance to interview him and was asked that how come you have managed to become such a great leader? He then said that he belonged to a tribal chief's family and he used to accompany his father for these particular chief meetings. He noticed two things. One, that all the chiefs sat in a circle, and two, that his father was the last to speak. You would all have heard that one has to be a good listener, but believe me that one has to be the one who speaks the last. I have seen these in many meetings that even I have attended. That the boss comes in or the chief comes in and he says that this is the problem. I think this is the case. Now tell me what your opinions are all about. Well, by then the entire audience is shut off. If you give everybody the chance to speak, you have got a couple of advantages. One, everybody feels that they have been heard and their points have been considered. The second advantage is that when everybody is speaking, there are a couple of points that come up which might interest you. Another thing that you need to take care as a leader when you are in a meeting is that do not nod yes if you agree to a point and do not nod no if you do not agree to a point. Just keep on listening. It gives the motivation to everybody that they are being heard, their points are being heard, and they become a part of that meeting. Once everybody has spoken, you have got enough points, and then you can reconsider what your opinion was and add to the points that everybody else has had. This task might seem to be very easy, but believe you me, to speak the last is more difficult than being able to listen carefully. Try this because it will help you become a better leader, a better manager in your group. Thank you. In case you feel that you want to touch upon with me to understand how to better your skills, please feel free to call me on this number that is now flashing on the screen. Thank you and take care.